Once upon a time, in the vibrant heart of Jamaica, there was a young woman named Michelle. She was bubbly, with a love for cars and a sparkle in her eye that matched the Caribbean sun. Michelle had come to the annual Jamaica Car Expo, a place where powers and dreams collided, hoping to find her perfect ride, and maybe, just maybe, something even more extraordinary. Meanwhile, Kirkland was a young man whose passion for cars was legendary. He was a mechanic by day, a dreamer by night, with hands that could fix anything and a heart that beat to the rhythm of Jamaican reggae. That day, he was showing off his custom-built masterpiece, a sleek, roaring machine that shimmered under the tropical sky. As Michelle wandered through the expo, her gaze caught Kirkland's car. She was drawn to its bold lines and the way the engine pursed like a lion ready to pounce. Kirkland noticed her admiration and, with a confident smile, approached her. "You like what you see?" he asked, voice as warm as a Jamaican sunset. Michelle's cheeks flushed. "It's stunning. You built this?" He nodded, pride shining in his eyes. "Yeah, it's my baby. But I think it's missing one thing. Someone who truly appreciates it." Their eyes locked, a spark igniting between them over Kingston Harbor. They talked about engines and dreams, their voices blending with the lively reggae playing in the background. Michelle felt her heart race. Kirkland's passion was warm and inspiring, his words stirring a passion inside her she'd never known. They exchanged contact details, and within days their friendship grew. One day during a visit, Kirkland took her hand and whispered, "Let's take a ride. I want to show you Jamaica from the best seat, right here with me." Heart pounding, Michelle nodded, and they sped off down the coast, the wind whipping through their hair, laughter spilling from their lips like sweet rum punch. That day, under the Caribbean sun, Michelle and Kirkland discovered more than speed. They found a love as true and beautiful as the island itself. A love built on passion, fire, and the thrill of the ride. And from that moment on, their hearts raced together, forever entwined in Jamaica's vibrant rhythm.